Welcome to my video guys. Today we are going to learn about how to integrate MailChimp with our group funnels. If you are new to my channel and if your interest is digital marketing, affiliate marketing, grow your business online, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for future update. Let's go to my computer screen guys. Okay guys, we are into my group pages account. For the video purpose, I already selected a template, but I will show you how to create it from scratch. Let me delete this first. Now select any element, you can select any column here, or we can directly put form container here. Go to form, select empty form container. Now select the input field. Now copy this container. Okay, let's give some spacing. Great. Now let's give name to this container. Click on the container, go to the right side of dashboard, click on configure, give input id name. Let's we have to collect first name in this container. Click write the name f name, then f name, then placeholder name. Here first name, it will show in our placeholder. Now click on the validation rules. So if someone did not write their name, there will be red star shown to them that this field should not be empty. So, and here you can see input cannot be empty. We can select it from here, click on text, update it. Okay, you can see first name as we write down here is showing there. Now let's give name to another container which we going to collect email. We are going to collect in that container. Write down email in placeholder, give a name to placeholder email, add validation rule. Now here we have to select email instead of text. Select email, input cannot be empty, click on update. So now we have both placeholder ready. We will give design, we will little bit design it. Let's go to design section, click on text. If you want a something good font, then select one. Here you can select also. Now here you can select a background also. Let's make it white. Let's select text background also, because it's showing here white portion. But if we select white, the whole placeholder will become white. Not to worry about it. So let's select background, whole background as a white. Yes. Now let's give a little bit border to that both placeholder. Yes. Now here border. Yes. Okay. So we have two placeholder ready. Now we have to select a submit button. So go to form section again, select submit button, drop it here in the, remember guys, always drop inside the form container, not anywhere outside, otherwise we will not collect the opt-in inside our MailChimp or any email autoresponder. So make sure you have to place inside the form container. Now select it, placed it in bottom here. Now let's give some spacing to the button. Okay. Now let's give a name to the button here. We can give a name, submit now. Let's suppose we write submit now. Now let's make this button in the center. Now let's give same spacing to the button as well as the both placeholder, means size. You can select as a relative to parent also. Okay. Now give some spacing also. Yes. Now here we have to select border just like about to placeholder. Select background from here. Click on the button. Select background from here. Let's increase the size of the text. Let's select our font. Let's make it a bold. Okay. Now our form container is ready, guys. Now we have to integrate this form container with our MailChimp account. So first go to integration. I already have one MailChimp integrated here. Let me add another one. Integration type MailChimp. Select API key. You can find your API key from your profile section. Click on profile. Go to extras. Click on API keys. Here create a key, new API key. This is the key we have to copy and paste here. Click on update. Okay guys, so here another account we integrated. Now go to our form container. Select the form container. This is the main things, guys. Many people ask me, sir, we are not finding how to integrate form container with MailChimp. They are select container. You can see at the bottom here. So you can find everything from bottom. This is the main container. This is the container main, and you have to choose form container. This is form container, guys. So we have to select whole the form container and go to configure, select the integration. Now select our MailChimp account. I have created a list already inside the MailChimp. After submit now button where we want to send them, you can select as a page, as a blog, as a URL, as a pop-up. So for sake of the video, I am selecting my website. This is my website, guys. I am creating funnel and website for my clients. So let for this video select this URL, copy here and update. So that's it, guys. This is how we can integrate our MailChimp or any email autoresponder with our group pages, website, funnels, etc. So guys, this is how we can integrate any email autoresponder with our group pages. If you find it difficult, please feel free to reach out to me. I will guide you. Looking forward your presence in my next video. Till then, bye bye.